Hello, hello. I'm Lisa. You're watching One Lisa Show, and I kind of moved my location of how I'm filming today because the sun is coming in and the mail came, and guess what? My Think Pink box has arrived. Except there's no box. It's not in a box, but that's okay. This was kindly gifted to me from Andrea at Beyond the Pink Door. I am one of her ambassadors for her So Inspired team. So I did receive this box. I also know the fabric selections. I don't know which one I got, and that was kind of upon accident. I saw it the other day on an Instagram post. Somebody had already posted their make with this gorgeous fabric. I'm curious what else is inside. That I don't know. And my box took a long time to get here. This package came to the US like over a week ago, and it has been moving all around, taking the scenic tour of the United States of America before it made its way here. It actually came really close to here and then shipped out all the way to Utah. Don't know what's wrong with the United States Post Office, but it took a detour. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what's inside and then talk about it and think of some things we can make with it. So like I said, I was scrolling Instagram and there was a couple of posts of people with their makes, and I was like, oh, that's some cute fabric. And then I saw somebody's caption that actually said it was part of the Think Pink box this month, and I was like, drats! I was trying to avoid it, but now I can see what everybody else got. And mine is wrapped. Oh, no wonder why it's not in a box, because it's in a tote. Andrea usually wraps inside the box, is usually everything's wrapped in pink tissue paper. Today it's in a tote. Oh, I'm so pleased. Oh, Beyond the Pink Door. Oh, Big Daddy's gonna absolutely love this because he loves this kind of stuff. Oh, it's cool. Thank you, Andrea. I just want you to know, like, I'm going to use this tomorrow. And as we go inside, we have our fabric. So if you haven't seen other unboxings, I'm really happy. I love blue. I love blue. And here is our fabric. There were 2 colorways. And I'm not even, look, I'm passing up the card. Here's the card. It says, January. This is a time for beginning, for gentle starts, fresh intentions, and making without pressure. I thought it said pleasure. That's not right. Pressure. So here's the card. And then on the back is the QR code that you can scan to get access to the ebook. If you've not a part of the Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink boxes, you can go to her website and download past ebooks for free. I think you still have to check out, but I don't think there's a cost to them. And that way you can see what the past ebooks look like. They've been really ramping up like the content inside the ebooks. So there's usually other members of the Beyond the Pink Door So Inspired team that will make the fabric up, give ideas for patterns. They talk about the fabric. Andrea did say that these are exclusive colorways for Beyond the Pink Door. So she will be also selling these fabrics on the website. So check it out. If you like what you see and you would like some of this fabric as well, check it out because it should be available to purchase soon on the Beyond the Pink Door website, which is great, especially if somebody already got a box and they actually need more. The fabric is a stuff of Denmark, and it is a jersey. Now this I kind of knew because I had already found out, but there were 2 colorways, and the colorway I received is the one that's more blues. And I love it kind of to me looks like it could be flowers, but it also looks like it could be snowflakes. And it's supposed to be 2 meters. And this is a stuff of Denmark. so you can see. There's the salvage. So this is a quality jersey. So this is a jersey. 95% cotton, 5% elastane. And it does have the Okiotex certification on it. I think this much qualifies. It should be a dress. But I'm also thinking pajama pants. A dress would be lush, wouldn't it? Both would be lush. So here we go. This is my colorway. There's another colorway that has just a little, it's still a blue type with the dark blue. But I think this would be, if I wanted to try something different, maybe a kilo wrap dress. Or I could go with my good old standby, which is a Freya dress. It is a jersey cotton. There's the stretch. I like it. I like that it's kind of got this vertical with the colors. So these blues and periwinkles, and this is like a light Carolina blue. It kind of goes down. So I do like that. Different. And part of me thinks pajama pants would be great for this. And the other part of me thinks a dress. We're going to see. I've been sleeping on it for a couple of days. As soon as I figured out what it was, and I was thinking it through. So what are your thoughts? What would you make with this jersey fabric? And let's see what else is in the bag, because there is in the bag also. I love this. This right here. This is so awesome. Okay, now we're going to open this up. My matching thread, which we know, and this is a Mariflex thread. So this is a Gutermann thread, and wow, it matches my sweater pretty good today. I'm not wearing any knee-maids today because we had a snowstorm yesterday, and I kind of got to work from home and just wanted to be comfy. But Ameriflex is the Gutermann brand of elasticated thread, so you can actually sew with a straight stitch on your sewing machine on a knit. You should still have your jersey or your ballpoint needle, but matching thread so I can do straight stitch. Love that. And then we have, she included some jersey needles. Who doesn't need jersey needles if you're sewing with knits? And if it's your first time and you're a beginner to sewing with knits, this makes all the difference. I love a jersey or a ballpoint for knit fabrics. So she has proper needles, so I don't have to go out and purchase them. And then also we have an Arthur and Betsy self-heating eye mask. Look at, well, now the light is coming through again. So let me see if I can switch this around. Okay, I think this is a little better, but you're gonna see me kind of up close. It's a self-heating eye mask. It says it will heat up once for approximately 20 minutes, dispose after use. Open packaging and place mask over your eyes. Use the ear loops to secure, then the mask will begin to heat up and you will enjoy around 20 minutes of relaxing warmth. Sit back, relax your eyes, and let go of stress. Look at that. Designed to soothe tired eyes and promote deep relaxation, this mask gently warms up upon contact with oxygen, helping to relieve stress, tension, and eye strain. Perfect for travel, bedtime, or a moment of self-care anytime, anywhere. Okay, Arthur Betsy. That's pretty cool. I actually may gift this to one of my siblings. I think that's pretty nice. Okay, I'm a little crooked here. I'm sorry this is coming out so late, but now tonight, after I do all my nighttime routine, I can seriously come in and watch everybody's unboxings, and that makes me super happy. I really, really like this. Colors are me, and I should put it like this because this is how it should be, the vertical lines. That's going with the salvage. I think, I'm torn, but I'm going to sew this up sooner than later. Absolutely, because this is the perfect time of year. I think this color combo actually looks really good for winter. It has a wintry, frozen type vibe to it. Part of me badly wants to make a Freya dress. Do I go with my gut? Do I go with my heart? I don't know. What should I do? Pajama pants or a Freya? All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you got the Think Pink box, did you get the same colorway I got? And what would you make with this fabric? I'm very curious. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I hope you do something creative wherever you are in the world today, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.